Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual E-motor with a standard range battery life, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a max trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch, we got rear park sensing, backup camera, we do get a bed camera as well, a nice black gripped running board with a side view camera. You got some lights and blind spot detection. This is where you plug in your vehicle as well, which is pretty nice, and you do get a mobile power cord with this vehicle. You got that customary standard LED light bar that goes across the fake grille. You have a front view camera and some recovery hooks, and we do get a mega powered frunk that you can use on the key fob, a button up there, which provides you with tons of storage. You got Pro Power Onboard with tons of outlets, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, and you do get more storage underneath, and liquid, pounds, all that jazz. Your mobile power cord's just right there, and to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpeted interior, got some rear vents, cup holders, there's a 2 USB-Cs and 120 volt, and of course you can lift up the seats for additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats as well as a manual. We got the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front. Got your lights, mega power Frunk, parking brake and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 30 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get our power range over here, so we have about 279 kilometers until the battery's empty. We do have My View, Trip and Feel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select. It is collapsible. You got storage here, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets right there. You got your leather-wrapped center console that is lockable with tons of storage. We have trailer brake, Protrailer assist, your push-button start, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and below. And we got storage here as well. And looking at our main screen here, oh, that is loud. We do have a 360 view of our vehicle, traction, and hazards. And looking here, we have our audio, which has SiriusXM, Bluetooth, AM, and FM. You got your phone capabilities, your navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard, charge settings, and all that fun. And any apps you may download show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. You also do get drive modes as well, which you do have normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, and one pedal drive, locking differential, and your hill descent. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG06797, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.